Looking for the best high-quality car vacuum cleaner on Amazon? In this video, I'll show you the top 10 powerful portable vacuums that make car cleaning fast and effortless. But before we get started, make sure to check the link in the description below if you want to know about the price and other information. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest auto review lab reviews. Stay tuned to find the perfect one for your needs. Number 1. ThisWorx TWC01 Vacuum. The ThisWorx TWC01 Vacuum is one of the most popular high-quality car vacuum cleaners on Amazon, designed specifically for car interiors. I really like how this model combines portability with powerful suction, making it perfect for cleaning dust, crumbs, and pet hair. It comes with a 16-foot power cord, which means you can easily reach every corner of your car without hassle. The included attachments, like the flathead nozzle and brush, improve its versatility. If you're searching for a reliable and affordable car vacuum cleaner that Amazon buyers trust, this is a solid option. Its HEPA filter ensures better dust trapping, making it ideal for drivers who want a cleaner and healthier environment inside their vehicles. Overall, it's a great choice for beginners and everyday use. Number 2. BLACK+DECKER QuickClean HNVC 215B10. The BLACK+DECKER QuickClean HNVC 215B10 is a compact yet powerful cordless handheld vacuum that fits perfectly into any car cleaning routine. I find this model extremely convenient because it's lightweight and easy to store. It's especially useful for quick cleanups when you don't want to deal with cords. This vacuum is highly rated on Amazon and is known for its durability and strong suction for its size. It works well for picking up debris, dirt, and even small food particles from car seats and floors. If you're looking for a portable car vacuum cleaner that's simple and efficient, this is a great pick. Its washable dirt bowl makes maintenance easy, which is a huge plus for busy users. It's ideal for drivers who want a quick and hassle-free cleaning solution. Number 3. Shark UltraCyclone CH951. The Shark UltraCyclone CH951 stands out as a premium high-performance handheld vacuum designed for both home and car use. What I love about this vacuum is its dual cyclonic air streams, which provide strong and consistent suction. It's especially effective for removing pet hair, making it perfect for pet owners. The detachable dust cup makes it easy to clean after use, and the ergonomic design ensures comfortable handling. Many Amazon buyers prefer this model because of its reliability and performance. It's a bit more powerful than standard handheld vacuums, which makes a noticeable difference when cleaning car carpets and tight spaces. If you want a high-quality car vacuum cleaner that Amazon shoppers consistently recommend, this is definitely worth considering. It balances power, portability, and durability very well. Number 4. Dyson Car+Boat Vacuum. The Dyson Car+Boat Vacuum is a premium choice for those who want top-tier performance. Dyson is known for its advanced technology, and this model delivers exceptional suction power. I personally think this is one of the best high-quality car vacuum cleaners on Amazon for deep cleaning. It's designed for precision and can easily handle stubborn dirt, fine dust, and pet hair. The cordless design adds convenience, while the strong battery ensures longer cleaning sessions. This vacuum is ideal for drivers who want professional-level cleaning results. Although it comes at a higher price point, the performance justifies the investment. If you're serious about keeping your car spotless, this Dyson model is a top contender. It's perfect for tech lovers who appreciate innovation and efficiency. Number 5. Fanttik Slim V8 Apex. The Fanttik Slim V8 Apex is a modern, sleek, and powerful handheld vacuum designed for convenience and performance. I like how lightweight and compact this model is, making it easy to carry and store in your car. Despite its size, it delivers strong suction power, which is perfect for removing dust, crumbs, and debris. It also features a fast-charging battery, which is ideal for users who need quick and efficient cleaning. Many Amazon users appreciate its stylish design and quiet operation. If you're looking for a high-quality car vacuum cleaner that Amazon buyers love for both performance and aesthetics, this is a great option. It's especially suitable for tech enthusiasts who want a modern cleaning tool with reliable functionality. Number 6. HOTO 4-in-1 Handheld Vacuum. The HOTO 4-in-1 handheld vacuum is a versatile cleaning tool that goes beyond just vacuuming. I find this model very useful because it combines multiple functions, including blowing and inflating. This makes it perfect for car owners who want an all-in-one solution. It has strong suction power and a compact design, making it easy to use in tight spaces. Amazon buyers often choose this model because of its multifunctionality and sleek design. It's ideal for drivers who want more than just a basic vacuum. Whether you're cleaning your car or inflating accessories, this device handles it all efficiently. It's a smart choice for those who value convenience and versatility in a high-quality car vacuum cleaner. Number 7. WORX CubeVac WX030L. The WORX CubeVac WX030L is a powerful and portable vacuum that's perfect for car cleaning. I really like its compact cube design, which makes storage super easy. It runs on a rechargeable battery, giving you cordless freedom while cleaning your car. This vacuum is known for its strong suction and durable build quality. It's great for removing dirt, dust, and debris from car interiors. Many Amazon buyers trust WORX for its reliability and performance. If you're looking for a high-quality car vacuum cleaner that Amazon users recommend for long-term use, this is a solid choice. It's especially useful for drivers who want a balance between power and portability. Overall, it's a dependable option for regular car maintenance. Number 8. 20,000 POL 4-in-1 Car Vacuum. The 20,000 PA 4-in-1 car vacuum is all about power and versatility. With its high suction capability, it easily handles tough dirt and debris inside your car. I like how it offers multiple functions, making it more than just a vacuum. It's designed for deep cleaning, which makes it ideal for drivers who want professional-level results. This model is trending on Amazon due to its strong performance and multifunctional features. It's perfect for cleaning tight spaces, seats, and carpets. If you're searching for a powerful car vacuum cleaner that Amazon buyers are currently loving, this is a great option. It delivers excellent value for its price and performance. Number 9. NWDEY 2000 PA Car Vacuum. The NWDEY 2000 Car Vacuum is a high-powered handheld device designed for deep cleaning. I find this model impressive because of its strong suction and cordless convenience. It's perfect for removing stubborn dirt, dust, and even pet hair. Many Amazon buyers choose this vacuum for its performance and affordability. It's lightweight and easy to use, making it ideal for quick cleanups. If you want a high-quality car vacuum cleaner Amazon shoppers trust for power and efficiency, this is a solid pick. It's especially suitable for drivers who need a reliable and effective cleaning tool. Overall, it offers great performance at a competitive price point. Number 10. Armor All AA255 Vacuum. The Armor All AA255 vacuum is a heavy-duty wet-dry vacuum designed for serious cleaning tasks. I like how powerful and versatile this model is, making it suitable for both car and home use. It can handle both dry debris and liquid spills, which is a huge advantage. This vacuum is highly rated on Amazon for its durability and strong suction. It's perfect for drivers who want a professional-grade cleaning tool. If you're looking for a high-quality car vacuum cleaner that Amazon users recommend for heavy-duty use, this is an excellent choice. It's especially useful for deep cleaning and tough messes. That's my top 10 high-quality car vacuum cleaners on Amazon. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, drop a comment with your favorite, and subscribe for more reviews. Don't forget to check the links in the description to grab the best deals today.